Happy Week of the Young Child! Today, Amanda is going to show us how to use science to make ice cream for Tasty Tuesday. For this activity, you'll need a small resealable bag, a large resealable bag, measuring spoons, measuring cups, half and half, vanilla extract, sugar, salt, and ice. We also recommend keeping some winter gloves on hand. If you have ice cream toppings, that will make your treat even more delicious. First, pour 1 cup of half and half. Place that in a small resealable bag. Measure 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract and add that to the small bag. Measure 1 tablespoon of sugar and add that to the small bag. Squeeze out any extra air and seal the bag firmly. In the large resealable bag, add about a half cup of ice. And add a 1/4 cup of salt. Place the bag with ice cream ingredients in it on top of the ice. Cover the bag with the remaining ice and seal the large bag. Now shake, shake, shake. The salt mixed into the ice will make the ice get very cold. You might want to wear gloves while you shake. Ice cream is just droplets of fat from milk and millions of tiny crystals of ice and pockets of air. Adding salt to ice lowers the melting point of ice to below freezing. Pure water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius, but by adding salt, the ice will start to melt. Melting needs energy. Heat energy is absorbed from the milk, making ice crystals form between the fat molecules in the milk. A super science word to describe this reaction is an exothermic reaction, or a reaction that produces heat. After shaking for about 5 to 6 minutes, take out the small bag. Add your ice cream to a bowl so you can taste your delicious treat. Finish your creation by adding your favorite toppings and enjoy your ice cream. Thanks for joining us for Tasty Tuesday. Check the Science Center's webpage for more information on our Week of the Young Child celebrations.